Imagine waking up one day and realizing you've achieved millionaire status. Not because you won the lottery or got lucky, but because you made smart, intentional moves. Becoming a millionaire isn't just a dream. It's achievable, and it starts with 7 powerful steps we're about to dive into. The decisions you make now can change everything. In your 20s, you have one of the greatest advantages possible: time. Every choice, every dollar saved, every investment grows exponentially. And by following these steps, you'll put yourself on a clear path to financial freedom. Ready to make your first move? Let's jump into step 1, where it all begins, with the power of goal setting. Step 1. Define your millionaire vision and set clear goals. Defining your millionaire vision is like charting your destination on a map. Without it, you're just wandering. The key to real wealth building is setting clear, specific goals. Think of it as creating a roadmap to your first million. Now, imagine yourself as a millionaire. What does that life look like? Envision it. Make it vivid. This vision becomes your motivator. Write it down and set specific, measurable goals to track your progress. Think big, but also start with achievable steps, like saving your first $10,000. Quick question: would you play a game if you didn't know how to win? Exactly. So treat your finances like the ultimate game and make winning clear. With your goals in place, the next step is to invest in yourself. You are the greatest asset you'll ever own. Step 2. Invest in yourself to increase your income potential. Investing in yourself means building skills that pay off. Whether it's improving your expertise in your current career, learning new skills, or gaining certifications, these investments increase your income potential. The more value you bring, the more wealth you create. Imagine being able to command a higher salary, start a profitable side hustle, or launch a business because of the skills you've developed. Every hour you spend learning and improving multiplies your income potential. Think of it this way: this is the only selfish investment that's truly selfless, because it benefits everyone around you in the long run. Now let's talk about the fuel for your millionaire journey: consistent saving. Step 3. Master the art of saving consistently. Saving consistently is essential to wealth building. The habit of setting aside a portion of your income every month is how millionaires are made. It might sound simple, but the magic lies in consistency. Think about this. Many people reach their 30s and 40s with nothing saved. Avoiding this fate requires intentional saving, starting now. Start by saving even a small percentage of your income and gradually increase it. Automate your savings so you don't even have to think about it. Ask yourself, would you rather be financially stressed or financially free? Saving consistently is the first step toward freedom. Once you've built the habit of saving, the next step is to make that money work for you by investing wisely. Step 4. Invest early and take advantage of compounding. Investing is how your money works for you, and the earlier you start, the greater your returns. Compounding is a powerful force. It's essentially earning money on your money, again and again. The longer you invest, the more exponential your growth becomes. Imagine your small investments today growing into a fortune in a few decades. It's not about getting rich quick, it's about getting rich for sure. Even modest investments can grow dramatically over time thanks to compounding. Think of compounding as your money's way of saying, "I got this." Give it the time it needs and watch it grow. Now, investing is powerful, but there's another critical element to consider: avoiding bad debt. Step 5. Avoid bad debt at all costs. Debt can be one of the biggest barriers to wealth. High-interest debts like credit cards or payday loans can trap you in a cycle of payments that destroy your net worth. Avoiding unnecessary debt is key to reaching your millionaire goals. Picture this: working hard, saving and investing, only to see it drained by monthly debt payments. Avoiding this trap now saves you from financial stress later. Pay off high-interest debt as soon as possible, and only take on debt when it's a stepping stone, not a burden. Debt is like that friend who shows up at the worst times, overstays their welcome, and drains your wallet. Keep that friend at arm's length. Alright, now that you've got control over debt, it's time to expand your income streams. Step 6. Create multiple streams of income. Most millionaires don't rely on a single source of income. They diversify. This might include side hustles, freelance work, dividends, rental income, or even a small business. Multiple streams of income create financial stability and accelerate your wealth. Imagine the freedom of knowing that if one income source dries up, you've got others to rely on. It's about building a safety net and maximizing your earning potential. Starting a side hustle, investing in dividend stocks, or even renting out a spare room can all contribute to building wealth. Here's a quick question: why settle for one paycheck when you could have 3 or 4? Exactly. Multiple streams of income are powerful, but to protect and grow that wealth, the next step is critical: Protect your assets. Step 7. Protect your wealth and keep growing. Protecting your wealth means planning for the unexpected. This includes having an emergency fund, insurance, and a well-diversified portfolio to minimize risks. It's about building a fortress around your finances so you can keep growing. Imagine building up wealth only to see it threatened by an emergency, market crash, or unexpected expense. Protecting your wealth lets you keep what you've built and continue to grow. Set up an emergency fund and make sure you have basic insurance to cover any potential risks. Think of protecting your wealth like having an umbrella in a rainstorm. You might not need it every day, but when you do, you'll be glad it's there. So if you're serious about building wealth and staying on track, keep watching, because we're about to tie it all together with one last crucial tip. Building wealth isn't about luck or a one-time windfall. It's about smart, consistent choices, setting clear goals, investing in yourself, saving, investing, avoiding debt, diversifying your income, and protecting what you've built. Follow these steps, and you're well on your way to becoming a millionaire. If you're ready to take action and want to make the most of your 20s, check out my video on how to build wealth in your 20s. It's packed with strategies to get you started on your millionaire journey. Click here to watch it now.